Girl, it's time to put the body wave down and get into this kinky straight hair. I got some from BGM Girl hair, and this is let's say this is a 6 months update. So technically this is an old video. I've had the wig for over a year, but at the point of recording this video, I'd only had the wig for 6 months. And when I say 6 months, like I had been wearing it all the time super consistently. So as you can see, the lace isn't new, it's already been tinted, kind of plucked, the hair is looking any kind of which way. This hair is not straight out the pack. I wanted to kind of give a 6-month review because you never know how long some of this hair can last. I got this off of TikTok Shop. I think this was also my first introduction to the BGM Girl hair brand, but 6 months in, and you can see it still looks good. Like the shedding was super minimal, the lace still looked really good, and the hair itself, like the texture, the kinky straight texture still looks really good. So genuinely, I had no complaints. My favorite way to wear the hair was either straight or curled. When the hair is curled for this wig, like the curls don't really last, to be honest. You'll see, like, I'll do some pretty chill loose waves in a few minutes here, and those were definitely gone by the end of the night. So definitely, you know, use hairspray. I don't have hairspray. I think that's something I need to invest in, especially when it comes to kinky straight unit. But if you have hairspray and maybe like set the curls, you probably should be good, but I was not good. So I typically would wear this hair straight and just kind of bump the ends, and that was my go-to look with this hair. But when I say like put down the body wave, I think this was my first kinky straight unit that was a full wig. I have like a kinky straight V-part wig, and so let me know if you guys want to hear about that one, because that one truly has held me down for like 3 to 4 years, and it was relatively affordable. So let me know if you guys want a review on that V-part wig. I also cut my hair recently, so I'm not sure how it would look, because that hair is a bust down long kinky straight V-part wig. Anyway, back to this BGM Girl hair. Having a closure wig that is similar to my texture just like hits different. It eats different than like body wave hair. The downside is that it doesn't always hold a curl. Like my V-part unit holds a curl, but not this one. So I'm kind of on a mission to find the best kinky straight units that the texture looks good, they react well to heat tools and hold a curl, and they're affordable and don't like shed into a whole tingly mess. You know, anyway, here I am. I'm thinking I'm arrogant Tay. I'm customizing my wig, you know, giving myself some layers because I want to do some cute little flipped in curls. That's another thing. I'm not really good at curling my hair. So I didn't really mind that this wasn't good at holding a curl because I'm not even good at curling my hair for real. But, you know, I need to learn. I'm willing to learn. But sometimes when I'm in a rush, it's just like, I'm not about to learn when I'm in a rush. Let me just do a quick little 1-2 and call it a day. Or if I can use like my heatless curlers, that also changed the game. Here's just like a montage of me styling the wig. And then we'll get into the full review in a few. With this being a glueless unit, I never like fully glued it down, but I would use a spritz, as you saw like me a few minutes ago, like spritzing my hair down. When you use that spritz, this lace actually melted really well. It looks so good when you use spritz, but the only downside to using spritz is that you have to keep using it afterwards. It does something to the way it sits on your head that you kind of I don't know how to explain it. Like it kind of makes the lace need the spritz. It doesn't have that elasticity that it used to have with just, you know, the band holding it tight to your head, if that makes sense. I don't know, but I didn't mind that because I love the security of like having the spritz, but it's still like glueless. So if I just spray some quick little water, it'll come off with ease, but it melts the lace really well, and I love that. Like that's just giving Scalpiana, other than my wig cap shifting back. But we just, that's none of our business. We just, we just keep it pushing. And then here I have some concealer to kind of cover up that line of demarcation that the wig cap is exposing me with. And I just use some concealer to kind of, blend and marry that all together. And I'll also use some hairspray to kind of fix the part. You'll see that in a few. This is like a root touch spray, and it's black, and I would use it to do justice. Like if I make my part too wide, or even on some units where, the lace is starting to get old and kind of like the hair is shedding, and so I need to, make it look more full. Or even here, like I would do that on the side of my hair, and that would help with the blend, because it's a closure unit, not a full frontal. HD frontal. It's not a full frontal, so I like to kind of like spray the sides with this root touch-up spray, and that kind of also helps with, concealing whatever is going on under there, because that also is none of our business. How pretty is this hair? Kind of like some low-key curls. It's not even real curls, but it just looks so pretty, but also really natural. The texture is so beautiful. I really loved this wig. Oh, so the update. Okay, so this was 6 months in. This wig lasted only a year. At the year mark, it literally crumbled and fell apart. Okay, not really, but the tangling just got completely out of hand at like a year mark. So this wig is one of those units that's here for a good time and not a long time. So, just keep that in mind. I still have yet to find a full unit, whether glueless or frontal, that lasts a really long time. The one that lasted for me was my V-part unit. I honestly should probably get a Kinky straight wig from that brand. I just have to remember what the brand was. Anyway, let me know if you like this video, if you've tried any units from BGM Girl hair, or what your favorite Kinky straight hair brand is. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and stick around for more. Subscribe, give this video a like, and comment down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.